table of 7. Please subscribe. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Now we learn full table of 7. 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 14. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 28. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. 7 multiplied by 9 is equal to 63. 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 70. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.